welcome to this live streaming event that we are hosting. It's called Stories of Restoration, and we are really excited to be coming to you and just telling our stories to you and how God has set us free. We have people lined up, and we trust that all these testimonies that you will hear will really encourage you, lift you up. I also greet all the KGM family and those that are watching from different parts of Namibia or regions from Namibia and even outside of Namibia. It is great to have you with us. Thank you for taking out the time and just being here, just coming to hear what God is doing in the lives of people. We have tonight, we have a person that's lined up, ready to share their testimony with you, their story. It might not be exactly what you have gone through, but one thing is for sure, that Jesus is always the answer to our problems, whether yours is not similar, but in one thing is sure, is that we all suffer, we all endure things, we all go through pain, and our pain is different, but it is pain nonetheless. And Jesus is the answer for our pain, our difficulties, the issues that we have in our own lives. And I really think that you'll be encouraged by what the people will be sharing. They come from different backgrounds, but at the same time, they have found the answer, the solution, and that's what we want to bring to you. We want to bring hope to you. We want to bring faith to you, and healing if that is necessary. So just sit back, relax, open your heart, allow the Holy Spirit to move and to speak to you the way that He wants to speak to you. As you listen to what the person will be sharing tonight, you will find, I believe, you will find hope for your situation. So as we go now into our session of listening to the person that we have lined up, we really trust and believe that God will speak to you. So for me, God bless you, and see you again later. Thank you.